Term is Pretty Janet. Now, former Chief Justice David Maraga has notified the police of planned mass action on June 25th, joining the call by Kenyans seeking the removal from office of Deputy Inspector General of Police Eliud Lagat and his subsequent prosecution for his alleged involvement in the events leading to the death of Albert Ojwang while in police custody. While presenting a notice of planned action to the police leadership at Vigilance House in Nairobi, CJ Emeritus has also called out police leadership for issuing false information to the public.
We demanded the arrest of the DCI because he lied on oath under the IG, as well as Mr. Lagat himself. And they be prosecuted, and those, of course, who are associated with the murder of Ojwang. To clear this, to be clear, we support the efforts of the other Kenyans who have already petitioned for private prosecution. And if no action is taken, we will join them and come up even with fresh charges against them. And we demand that this be done on or before the 25th of June this year. If that is not done, we will formally come out and join those efforts and demand for private prosecution. You know, the law provides for that. If the DPP or the agencies don't want to take that action, we are not left helpless. We can demand for private prosecution and go right ahead.
Kenya hosted Sudan's